Arimi a Miraa guku bururi-ini riu mari na mwihoko wa kuriruka kwa urimi o undu umwe na thoko ya mumera uyu thutha wa thirikari kwanirira itanya ria kweheria Miraa gikiro-ini kia ndawa cia kurebia. Akiari hindi ya kigomano kigie Miraa guku Nairobi, minista wa ugitiri wa thiini dagitari Fred Matiang'i niyugite nimekwaraniria na ruhonge rwa kuhurana na njohi na ndawa cia kurebia na kada niguo gucenjia mawatho megie Miraa.
Institutional alignment will lead to even regulatory harmony. You know, in most cases where we have challenges in the public sector is because of occasionally we have a little bit of chaos in terms of how we manage public policy, so that one hand does not know the other hand's view. Nakada is saying this, you know, the Minister of Trade is saying that, our colleagues at the Ministry of Health are saying that. Other health agencies can participate in enhancing information available on Miraa, so that we deal with this negative campaign against Miraa as a drug.
Miario ya Matiang'i ni yamukirirwo na ndohio ni anyiti itemi sekta-ini ino kuona makoretwo makiagagio ni ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ndawa cia kurebia rwa Nakada.
What Nakada is saying is something that we need to check. Anyway, it's true, they work under my ministry. I promise that I will speak to them to revise their position and stop harassing Miraa traders and farmers across the country. We should get out of arguments about whether or not we should do Miraa to seeing a broad range of products. You know, I can see from the program and the promotion, you know, Miraa wine, Miraa juice, and many other products that come as a result.
Mwaka-ini wa 2014 thoko ya Miraa ni yageire na igutha iritu thutha wa bururi wa Ngeretha kugathika mukana wa wendia wa Miraa bururi-ini ucio.
Any particular issue to be sorted out on Miraa, it's now going to be dealt with through that intergovernmental framework, where we have cooperation and coordination between the interministerial team on Miraa, that is chaired by our PS in Trade, PA Ambassador Weru, and the team that we have from the county government of Meru.
Hinde-ini o riu Matiang'i ni anireire kumbwo gwa kamiti iria igukuruhania honge itiganite o undu umwe na kaunti iria cirimaga Miraa niguo kurora mathina o undu umwe na mieke sekta-ini ya urimi wa Miraa.
An intergovernmental standing committee between the county government of Meru and the interministerial committee on Miraa, so that we begin working on this issue of Miraa in a much more coordinated manner that we have worked before.
Matiang'i ningi oigite thirikari ya Kenya ni ikoretwo ikiaraniria na thirikari cia mabururi mangi itanya inene ari kwandandura thoko ya mumera uyu.
I can't understand for the life of me why a country would allow the sale of marijuana and then frown at the sale of Miraa, except that I think it's our responsibility to do more in terms of marketing and petitioning other governments to open up the market spaces for Miraa as it were.
It is not a honey drug.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wajiko.